In the hustle and bustle of the modern world, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. We're often so focused on material wealth that we forget about the spiritual wealth that can enrich our lives in ways money can't. This article explores how spirituality can contribute to creating wealth, not just in terms of money, but in terms of happiness, fulfillment, and purpose. Tip number 1, align your work with your values. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, once said, "If something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do it." This speaks to the importance of aligning your work with your values. When your work is a reflection of your beliefs and passions, it becomes more than just a job. It becomes a calling. This alignment creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment that can lead to greater success and wealth. Tip number 2, practice mindfulness. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, attributes much of her success to her spiritual practice, particularly mindfulness. Being present in the moment allows you to make better decisions, build stronger relationships, and respond to challenges with grace and resilience. Mindfulness also reduces stress and increases happiness, contributing to a wealthier, more fulfilling life. Tip number 3, cultivate gratitude. Tony Robbins, a world-renowned life and business strategist, emphasizes the power of gratitude. He believes that no matter how successful you are, if you're not grateful, you're not wealthy. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. This positive mindset can open doors to new opportunities and success. Tip number 4, give back. Many successful entrepreneurs, like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, believe in giving back. They understand that true wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about making a positive impact in the world. Giving back not only helps others, but it also enriches your own life, creating a cycle of positivity and abundance. Tip number 5, balance work and life. Lastly, successful entrepreneurs understand the importance of work-life balance. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, advocates for a harmonious work-life balance. He believes that our work, personal life, and spiritual life are all interconnected, and that success in one area can positively impact the others. In conclusion, creating wealth through spirituality is about more than just making money. It's about aligning your work with your values, practicing mindfulness, cultivating gratitude, giving back, and balancing work and life. These practices can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. If you found this article helpful, please like, comment, and follow for more insightful articles. Remember, the journey to creating wealth starts from within.